Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can convert purchase order to a bill or supplier invoice on QuickBooks. To convert purchase order, we need to go to Purchases section and click on our purchase orders. From here, to convert purchase order to an invoice, we need to click on Manage and create a bill, or we can actually convert it by clicking on actual purchase order and click on Create Bill from here. Now we are in Draft section for creating a bill. If you want to change any information here, we can amend it. Otherwise, if we are happy with details, we can preview. So this is supplier invoice or bill based on purchase order 7. There is all details provided here. If you want to amend, we can come above and amend details if required. Otherwise, we can save as a draft and then later come back and update information in line with supplier invoice, or we can post it on system. So actually record supplier invoice. And if I go to bills under purchases under bills section, I need to look at unpaid section, and I can see that there is materials limited supplier invoice recorded under 007. If I click on this system generated number, I can edit, and under reference I can add actually materials invoice number. Okay, and click update. From this screen I can also add attachments, like for example uploading support document for this particular material invoice. Okay, click open and click attach, and there is attachment provided. So now if I go to bills section and I look at this line, there is reference number of supplier invoice, and also there is a pin showing that support document has been attached. So in this episode, I showed you how you can convert purchase orders to a bills or supplier invoices on QuickBooks. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.